over 10 years now, Roma Playo's family in Nyeper Commune has become part of Lương Văn Lan's family, who works under the Economic Defense Regiment 710, Corps 15. Lan and his wife not only teach Playo's family how to raise animals, but also encourage them to send their children to school. As a result of their help, Playo's family income has increased significantly.
We are more than family. We have learned so much from Lan to make our lives better. I live away from home, so they are my family here. As a family, we need to support each other. If we need help with something, I go and help them. It's been 10 years already.
Additionally, they also help each other avoid criminals who want to cross the border illegally and violate the law. First deployed in 2006, the household bonding model has connected the household of over 4,600 Vietnamese workers with local ethnic families. This has helped strengthen the solidarity of Vietnamese people and ethnic groups in border areas.
Uncle Ho said all ethnic groups in Vietnam are one, so we came up with the idea of this model based on his words. The initiative has been well received by local people and authorities.
Through creativity and kindness, the model has significantly contributed to mass mobilization in the border areas of the Central Highlands.